here to narrate.
The story of statistics.
Hope you will enjoy our video. So let's go.
Today's decides are tomorrow's world leaders.
Sports, economy, income, population, and forecasting. Statistics lies everywhere.
Statistics is defined as science of collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Abhimanyu will tell you daily uses.
Hello friends, you know me right? I am Abhimanyu Goyal and I am here to tell you about the uses and the definition of statistics. So, let's begin. Statistics has a variety of uses such as making geographical predictions or predicting the weather. NASA is a huge company and can be used as a very good example. Many insurance companies use statistics for data management and data analysis. We also use statistics in various sports matches for showing points and progress of the players. Statistics can also be used in calculating the per capita income and for calculating population of a country. These are its other uses.
Sir Ronald Fisher is known as father of statistics and you will be proud to be an Indian by reading this. Now, my friend Janesh will tell you more about statistics.
Hi friends. Today I am here to discuss about 3M, mean, median and mode. Mean. The mean of observation is the sum of values of all the observations by the total number of observations. Example: batting average of a player in cricket match. Some other examples are research, academics, etc. Median. The median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of middlemost observation in the data. Example: it is often used in measuring average income of a country. Mode. A mode is the value among the observation which occurs most often, that is the value of observation having the maximum frequency. Example: the price of specific soda at different supermarkets. Now my friends will explain more about this.
Hi friends, I am Kalesh Patil and I am here to master your concept in meme. Meet my friend Richie. Do you know what he did? He called me yesterday and offered me a lunch and he got a doubt. So let's solve his doubt. For that, I need to enter in this TV.
Oh, I got a beautiful dress. Hi Richie. I have got the doubt. Okay, tell me about it. Let's go. Let's solve your doubt. Let's find the root of Richie's doubt. So, Richie's doubt is, yesterday in his school, the principal informed that the best class in academics will be rewarded. Now he is confused at how can we decide which is the best class in academics? Because every student will get different marks. So how can we decide it? Let's help Richie as we are good friends. So which part of statistics we are going to use here? Mean. That's right my friends. Let's take an example of classroom. Let's take example of 3 students A, B and C. Suppose A got 10 marks, B got 7 marks and C got 3 marks in their test. So as my friend Janes said, mean means average. So So formula for mean will be sum of all observations by total number of observations. So the sum of all observation will be A plus B plus C, that is equal to 20. And total number of observations will be, yes, you guessed right, 3. A, B and C. By substituting these values in formula, we get 6.666 and so on as our average marks. Thus, the average of that class is 6.666 and average marks will decide whether a class is good in academics or not. Hey, do not enjoy by thinking that you have mastered the concept now. You must be wondering why? Because the problem lies ahead. Friends, have you ever wondered how experts can calculate per capita income of a country which is having huge population and say whether it is developed or not? You must be wondering about this question, I think. So let's ask expert, how can you do that? It will be very difficult if you find per capita income by sum of all observations by total number of observations. Let's take an example of large data. It will be easy if we arrange them in ascending or descending order. We will classify them in class intervals and write their frequency, such as 300 to 500 equal to 3, 500 to 700 equal to 2, 700 to 900 equal to 2, and so on. Actually, we use sum of all observation by total number of observation to find mean of ungrouped data. Now my friend Path will explain you how to find mean of group data. That's the exact process used by experts to find per capita income.
Now let's see how to find the mean of the group data. Here is an example of the group data. From this, we will find its mean. So, there are three methods to find the mean. The first, the direct method. The second, assumed method. And the third, step deviation.
A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Since number of plants and houses are small in their values, so we use the direct method. Number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. Number of houses or the frequency 1, 2, 1, 5 and so on. Sigma Fi is the addition of all the frequency, which is 20. The class mark or Xi is the upper limit plus lower limit of the class interval divided by 2. So 0 plus 2 divided by 2 is equals to 1. 2 plus 4 divided by 2 is equals to 3 and so on. Fi(xi) is the multiplication of the frequency and the class mark, which is 1, 6, 5, 35 and so on. The sigma Fi(xi) is the addition of all the Fi(xi), which is 162. Now x bar, which is mean, which is equal to sigma Fi(xi) divided by sigma Fi, is equals to 162 by 20 is equals to 8.1. Hence, the mean number of plants per house is 8.1. Here, we use the direct method to solve this question. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was absent. Number of days or the class interval is 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14 and so on. Number of students or the F5 or frequency is 11, 10, 7 and so on. We will use the assumed mean method to find the mean. So the frequency is 11, 10, 7, 4, 4, 3 and 1. So the addition of all of them would be sigma Fi, which is equals to 40. The class mark Xi is the upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So it would be 8, 12, 17, 24, 33 and 39. The di is the deviation, which is equals to xi minus a. Xi is the class mark and a is the assumed mean, which is 17. So it would be minus 14, minus 9, minus 5 and so on. Fidi is the multiplication of frequency and the deviation, which is minus 154, minus 90 and so on. So sigma Fidi would be the addition of all the Fidi, which is 181. So from the given data, assume mean or a is equals to 17. So x bar is equals to a plus sigma Fidi divided by sigma Fi, which is equals to 12.48. Hence mean is 12. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages or the class interval is 100 to 120, 120 to 140 and so on. Number of workers or the frequency is 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Find the mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. We will use step deviation method to find its mean. The frequency is 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. So sigma Fi would be the addition of all of them, which would be 50. The class mark or xi is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 100 plus 120 divided by 2 is equals to 110 and so on. The ui is equals to xi minus a divided by h. H is the height of the class interval, which is 20. Xi is the class mark and a is the assumed mean, which is 150. Fiui is the multiplication of frequency and the ui, which is minus 24, minus 14 and so on. Sigma Fiui would be addition of all the Fiui, which is equals to minus 12. From the given data, assume mean a is equals to 150, width of the class h is equals to 20. So u bar is equals to sigma Fiui divided by sigma Fi is equals to minus 12 by 50 is equal to 0.24. Using formula mean, x bar is equals to a plus hu bar. So it would be 150 plus 20 into minus 0.24 is equals to 145.2. Hence the mean daily wages of the workers of a factory is rupees 145.20 rupees.
What is mode?
Mode is the most commonly observed value. What are the real life uses of mode?
Mode is used for production of many things, such as shoes. Here we will produce more occurring size of shoes.
You can become rich by using the mode in correct manner. There are two types of data.
Type 1 group data and type 2 ungrouped data. When data is grouped, we normally talk about the model class.
Let's take an example. In a survey conducted on 20 houses by students resulted in the following frequency table for a number of family members in a house. Your class interval is family size.
Mode is equals to L plus bracket F1 minus F0 upon 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H.
First, we will see the elements present in it.
Frequency of modal class is equals to F1. Frequency of preceding class of modal class is equals to F0. Frequency of succeeding class of modal class is equals to F1. Lower limit of modal class is equals to L. Size of class interval is equals to H.
F1 is equal to 8, F0 is equal to 7, F2 is equal to 2, L is equal to 3, H is equal to 2. So the values are now ready to be replaced by a formula.
Therefore, the mode is equals to 3 plus bracket 8 minus 7 upon 16 minus 7 minus 2 bracket close into 2 is equals to 3 plus 2 by 7 is equals to 3.286.
In ungrouped data, the mode is the most frequently occurring observation in the given data.
Let's take an example.
The wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows: 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. Find the mode of data.
Here, 2 is the number of wickets taken by bowler in maximum number of matches, that is 3. So the mode of data is 2.
Now Aditya Jarwal will explain about median. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you have enjoyed.
Hi friends, median is the middle number of observations. Find the median, there are two cases. First, if the line contains a group of odd numbers, then the middle number will be the median. Second, if the line contains even numbers, then the average of the two middle numbers will be the median. Example of first case is, take numbers 1, 5, 7, 8, 9. So the middle number is 7, so the median is 7. Example of second case is, take numbers 1, 2, 6, 8, 5, 4. Median is equal to 6 plus 8 by 2 equal to 7, so the median is 7. Some of the applications of median in day-to-day life are: first, the use of median is to calculate the mid-range income of the country. Second, the use of median is to calculate the mid-range population of the country. There is another type of frequency in median, that is cumulative frequency. The total frequency of whole classes less than the upper class boundary is called as cumulative frequency. This is an example of cumulative frequency distribution table. Formula is equal to L plus n bracket n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. By applying this formula, we find the median of the cumulative frequency. Elements of cumulative frequency are as follows: first, length; second, frequency; third, height; fourth, cumulative frequency; and sum of observations, that is n. There are two types of cumulative frequencies: more than and less than. So friends, let's take an example to find the median. First of all, we'll find the sum of observations, that is n, and then we'll find the median, that is n by 2. And when the answer comes, the succeeding class of the median will be the median class. So we have got lengths, cumulative frequency and height. So replace the values by the formula L plus in bracket n by 2 minus Cf into h, and then we'll get the answer, that is the median.
Thanks for watching our video, friends. Hope you have enjoyed.